Hey, what's up? You already know about the Mavic Air. It's an incredible little drone, and it's great for 99.9% of people, just not for anybody serious about making video. Not because it has bad video. I mean, it's about as good as your iPhone. Maybe a hair bit better. I don't know. It's because it's missing course lock. It's the stupidest and simplest thing in the world, and there's no reason for DJI to have not put it. They have these modes. They have like rocket mode and like spaceship mode and stuff like that, but like, you could whip this thing into a million different places and do really cool things, and it's super ultra portable and it's great, but it doesn't have course lock mode. And that's completely, unbelievably stupid. The other thing this drone doesn't have is the ability to change your aperture, and that's super important for filmmakers. It's just disappointing. It's an incredible drone that seems to be limited by some stupid things, and I never expected DJI to do that. For anybody who, if you are not using course lock mode right now, pick up a Phantom or a Mavic Pro and do it. I mean, these shots, these course lock shots are it just gives you that cinematic parallax that will take your video and bring it up to the next level, and this thing doesn't have it. It's super disappointing, and this drone would be so unbelievably perfect for film if it had course lock mode. Like every single drone that DJI has ever made since like the Phantom 2 Vision, they've all had course lock. And this, the most high-tech and arguably the coolest drone they've ever made, doesn't. And I just, not being able to change your aperture and not having course lock mode, those are two really important things that I feel like you're gonna really miss out on. So subscribe, like the video. If you don't like it, thumbs down twice. I'll talk to you later.